Hey guys, it's Catcher13 and there's something I want to show you in our backyard.
We were going to go in our backyard.
It's a surprise. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, Kaylin's recording on her phone. And here, I'll show you the surprise. Sorry that the camera's red. It's just my finger. Dun dun dun.
Look at that.
Look, there's two.
Grody.
There's two dead birds.
How do you zoom in? Can you zoom in with this camera or no?
This one.
This one?
There's two dead birds.
Ew, that one has...
First we saw a dead rat and near our garage at Daddy's, and now this. Nature is ruined, people. Nature is ruined. Okay, she saw those dead birds. Comment down below, and it's okay if you do not like this video because it's grody anyway. So see you guys next time. Sweet dreams. Bye.